Hello everyone, guess what? I'm a spider tank. That's definitely the way. Woohoo! Wee-hee! Oh, the step on that. Whee! Ha ha ha! This is so much fun. So much fun. Take the energy. Take the energy. Cha! 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 Woohoo! Killed 12 cops. I already did that. Woohoo! Hello. Oh, I am. Did I step on you? Spider tank, does whatever the spider tank can. Spider tank, spider tank. Oh my god. Spider tank, does whatever a spider tank can. Whoop, whoop, woohoo! The one's over here, the one's over here. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Woohoo! Yeah, I just decided to start the video because, you know, I finally found out how to be a spider tank. Let's just move on up when we're down. There's a height limit. Okay, let's. Seriously? Ah! No, what? That was amazing. Trying to shoot me now, sucker. Destroy the armored truck. That sounds like a mission for the Rockets to do. Oh my god, this thing's amazing. This is a spider tank incoming. It's nothing like this piece before. Now, woohoo! Wait, did I just hear you kill my son? I'm going viral here. Success! Wait. Whoop. Destroy the helicopter. That's like another mission for the rockets. Boom. That was easy. Kill 18 cops? That sounds like another mission. Get out here, fool. Well. Pick up. I have 9 more to kill. Okay. I gotta go to the skill tree. What's this? Basics, abilities, and weapons. What is this? Oh. What is this? Protection shield. What is this? Chain gun. What is this? I got almost all the weapon thingies. I don't want to wake up. This is an amazing dream. I like my dream. Where did I get stuck? Where am I? Oh, what's this app? What's this? Hello? Oh, what's going on again? It's happening again. Ugh. There we go. I'm back to the spider tank. I have no clue what I did before, but apparently I exited. This is the spider tank. Hello? Let's begin. I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. Ha ha ha. Woohoo! There's still one more down there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello? Is anyone down there? It's a sheriff! Oh my god. So scary. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, ha 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 ha. Yeah, ha ha ha. Oh, great. I don't care what they say about me. I am the best. Because I am the best. Woohoo! Seriously. Hmm. There goes one. The other one's over there. Ha 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 ha. Wait, no. We keep out the machine gun for now. Woo! You got eyes on me? I don't care what they say about me. I'm almost at the top of Glee. I won't snipe it. Well, that's a definite kill. They're scared of me. Mom, they're scared of me, but really, I'm just a good boy. Let's do this then. Is it hunting me like? They do not know where I am. Great. This one's very easy. Look, there's a helicopter chasing you. You see it on the map when it comes. It doesn't come then. Where's the helicopter? It's supposed to be a helicopter. Is it above me? What's going on here, helicopter? What are you doing to me here? I was promised a helicopter. I guess it was actually. Got scared. It was just. Never mind. Oh, a big tank. Spider tank. Why would you? It's the best in the world. Oh, that mountain. Actually kill. That was the stupidest thing I ever done. Great, now I have to kill 18. Hello. Hello, it's me. I'm here to kill you all. Hello, it's me. I'm here to kill you all. Hello, hello, la 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 la. Hello, this is one. Da 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 dee do da dee do da dee da dee da da. Okay, where are you? That's the one I messed up on. That was what just happened there. helicopter is a vehicle, right? Whoa. Fling the helicopter. Then destroy the helicopter. Oh wait, what? Yeah. Thanks for driving literally right in my way. Get out of here, helicopter. 3 now. I'm going this way. There goes 1. This one's easier to jump. Woohoo! We wanna stay on the building because if we don't, we will die. They will find us. Yes, they will. They will kill us. Oh, yes, they will. Are you sure about this? Because my friend Jerry, not that bad, he is a very cop who tried to actually kill me. Who's trying to kill me right now? Yahoo! Fudge. Helicopter. Careful. No matter what you throw at me, you can't kill me. I'm a super spider, super fighter. They will never find me. Don't say there's a helicopter. What the frick just happened to my arms? Oh! Ha ha ha. Guess what? We're destroying a train. What do you want from me? Kill 24 cops. Do I need to run? Sorry, I wish I didn't have a time limit so I could just hang around. I only killed 1 person. count as a vehicle? Yep. This one's the easy ones. Hello. Here to kill you all and kill your vehicle too. Because that's what I'm doing. What I'm supposed to do. Now, if you were going to get this game, this is what you should do. Oh my god, I swear. Got some skill points in here, man. Even I didn't know I could get this far. I thought it'd be different. But this is fun and easy and man. I have almost 0 health here. I kill one person, everyone just starts dying. Hello. I got 51 seconds to locate that. But Daddy, it's a cool invention that my friend made. His name is Aiden Pierce. No, this is just his name. Oh my god! I'm gonna lose. I'm lost. I'm so close to you. Why do you do me like this? I did it. I will have to kill them with this. Oh. Stop trying. Did it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, seriously. There's one. I killed one already. Seriously, do you think you can hide from a cop, from someone like me? I can't even see where I'm going. Not now. Boom! Boom! Still shining? Great hiding spot. This is where Spire gets the girl. You guys Veils. That movie. I know it's a weird movie. Trust me. Hello? You down there? Hello? Boom! Boom! Get out of my way! Wow. That's enough spider tank for one day. What a record. See the basics. After, what's this? Wake up. It's time to wake up. Where will I be now? See, now I'm getting taken all over these places by these weird people. Weird. Beep up, beep up, beep up. No, I'm still on this one first, but is this reality? Or is this another dream? What else is in here? What else is this? Let's see. What's this? Thank you, but no thank you. Okay, well. Songs. What? What? Okay. So looking for there, huh? Stop! Give me your vehicle. Thanks for the vehicle. I really could not make it that far. This guy's an idiot. You guy's an idiot. I crashed into this and then that happened. Some super vigilante. Oh yeah, when I ended the video to the last one, I got like super. But no, you don't get cops. You get super copped out. I think the cops are against me still. Whoop. Wait, I'm looking for a gun store. I am the Superman. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna Like I know this is me, but no one else. know it. Like, I'm just walking past him, and he's like, oh my god. Is that one guy? Probably like some criminal or something. Maybe like, oh, you want to help me with something? I really want to go on a rampage. So, what I'm going to do is go online, because I really want to kill someone. I can only do that if I go online. This is what I usually do every day. Whoa! Aye. I just lost the bike. Back at the road, on the road again. Do you want to see my bike around here? There it is. Well, at least I found one, so now I can go on a rampage. Okay, well that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm just gonna do that rampage by myself because my tablet is about to die. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Get this game because it's really fun. Goodbye. Wait.